the thing about our software is that we've made it so that you can basically come in, create a book either through a URL, a keyword, a short, PDF. You choose the pages, you choose the topics, but we made things easy by having automation tools to help with the book creation without them having to figure out what kind of keywords they need to put, what kind of descriptions they need to put, what kind of titles, all that. Okay, so you can also add your affiliate links, obviously, into your book, etc. And once your books are created, which is less than 6 minutes, maybe even 5, maybe 3, depending on how many pages you create, once it's done, the user can come in, maybe translate it, and this will happen automatically once they're done with their book. So right now I can create a version of this in French, which is easy, very cool to do, and it works in the back end, etc. Once it's done, it's going to push it over into your dashboard and you're ready to go. Now, users will also be able to come in and basically have, they can preview their book, and the book with all the information, the links, the images, the way that it's written. They don't need to do anything because it's all made for direct approval from Amazon. So everything that they can edit, they can change their chapters around, etc. They can create a video book from this, like mini video books, the short videos, maybe the full book, where they can send traffic through YouTube, TikTok, etc. They can do an audiobook. They can do a book download of PDF, EPUB covers, everything that is needed for Amazon KDP or any other platform. Then we've added also a new feature this year where they have their own landing page creator where they can collect leads, and this can be also added in the book. There's more of it inside. You can create bonuses from here. You can choose and build, and it's pretty powerful because nobody else is really doing what we're doing right now. And we're providing them with their own links that they can use, and the downloads, everything that they create through here can be all pushed over into their PDF download bonus that they're going to be giving away. So they can download, they can fix their page, they can change the page, and everything is really built from AI, but helping them really use this. And then they can add this in the book somewhere after the contents, after a chapter, at the end of the book. It depends on what they want. And then they can link it up and they'll see a QR code, etc., where this is going to be on there. And then this link is going to be given to them where they can visit, they can enter their emails. We can collect their emails inside the dashboard or through their autoresponder of their choice. And everything was built using this software without me having to do much. And that's it. And this is the bonus that I got from the system. Okay. And it gives you a little bonus, etc. And you can promote anything that you want from here. All right, so that's how that works as well. And there's also another game changer is our book factory. So they can come in and put a keyword or something, and then it'll spit out all the books that they want and ready to go. All the books are written all in one go. So I can come in, create a production. So this could be keto diet recipes, for example. Okay, doesn't matter. Create 10 books, 20 books, 5 books. Really easily come down, find out who is this for. Okay, so this is maybe cookbook recipes, 20 to 40 pages. You can add your affiliate links and then maybe click on next. Niche topic recipes. Okay, and okay, we'll just leave that as is and choose that and add some images and plan my catalog. So this is going to go out, generate my outlines, the book description things, and then based on my approval, I push it over and it's going to get me all the books like I have in my my completed stage right here, which are, once it's done, they're ready to review. And once I preview, for example, let me preview this one. This is has to do with our the Padel match, etc. So if I wanted to push this over now, I can download the PDF, upload, etc. But the biggest change that we have, not the biggest change, but we're the only ones that are doing this. So right now, by clicking this, it's going to go into my Amazon store. It's going to not publish, but actually set up my book from building it with the title, the description, the categories, keywords, all the tedious tasks that you would do as you would do it manually. Like the time I'm speaking to you right now, it's like me going in there and actually doing it all manual. But I hated that. I really did. So I asked my partner to create this feature if we can somehow not break the Amazon TOS by going in as a human. And it's actually going in as a human, and it's not going to publish it for me. It's going to allow me to go in to recheck things and double check, and then just click on publish when I'm done. And this way I finish up and publishing my book as a proper human and not an Autobot of some sort that Amazon doesn't want. So we've been doing this for 2 years, no issues whatsoever. We're not breaking any TOS here. We're actually using a simple strategy, smart strategy, to actually put this online for me without me having to be there to do it. All I have to do is just log into my Amazon account and just publish. That's it. And now it's just uploading stuff. And once it's done, I have a book that's ready already. This is the game changer that nobody has done. And this is where we are. This is also an upsell Auto 1. Okay. So now, right now it's going through, it's going to publish. And once it's done, I'll show you what it looks like. Also, another thing that wanted to show you is that we also have, for the front end users this year, a book character to create characters, and a worlds that you can put the characters in. So when you're creating series or you want to create novels and you want to use the same characters, you can actually come and do it from the front end. So this is pretty cool as well. We've added this year. And plus another powerful feature that we've added is the ability to actually translate into other countries' languages that you're seeing in this list right here, which is also part of the front end. And then from here, you can create your books, create series. But we have all the upsells, and all the upsells are on the JV page and JV sales page, so you can see exactly what people are getting. But I wanted to give you a little quick overview of what this all looks like. And then if we go back into our Amazon KDP, for example, if you remember, we were publishing a book. If I refresh this, then you can see that this is already here and it's been added. And then I can come in, manage the title, and continue the setup before I publish it. But everything is done for me, from the title, the description, the keywords, all has been done from my software. And now all I have to do is just publish. Okay. So this is what Royalty Profits AI does. It's got training inside showing you how you're going to be generating your first sales overnight. Everything is inside this training area. And plus, it's a good amount of training, trust me, taking people from the beginning to the end. And I've generated also more training on everything that we've been doing. And one important thing is that from the training that I was creating for everyone, for this software, for the version 2, this is the results right now. Okay. So I started doing the training on August the 3rd. It's August the 9th. And here we go. This is exact. I left it on purpose so people can see that I can start off fresh, brand new, without having anything on, and get my sales going. Okay. So 1,796 processed orders. Okay. Which it's going to start generating me more royalties. Like by the time that I launch this amount is going to be a lot different this month. Okay. Mark my words. So August 9th. Is 2026 is going to be a great case study for me anyways. And it's also inside the training of the new videos that I added for this year's launch. There's a contest of $2,000 in 2 phases, and all the details are in this sales page right here. Thank you for being here, and I hope you take this test it out yourself, use my strategy, and use your own proof so you can make more sales for the customers to see how powerful this is. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll talk to you inside the Royalty Profits contest on the 21st of August at 11 a.m. Eastern on Warrior Plus. Peace out.